What if I told you that cancer can be killed naturally, with no chemo, no radiation, and no radical surgery?
I've got to find a way out of this. Like, I have to find some way out of this, you know, and I knew that it wasn't going to be through like chemo and all that stuff. If I did the chemo and everything, I wouldn't make it. And I knew that that was going to like happen for sure.
So there's so many components to this, and it's overwhelming. And I'm nervous and scared right now, and I certainly have my doubts. I have to try this. I have to try this.
Angels call to me, singing eternally.
All the doctors were like, are you crazy? Are you out of your mind? You want to die? Oh my gosh, the doctors are so anti-naturopaths.
There's quite a few things we can do in Germany that we can't do in the US. One of them is regional hypothermia, using this as a main tool for treating cancer. Here in the US, you can get regional hypothermia, but the FDA likes it to be in connection with radiation and chemotherapy on head and neck tumors.
It was not what I expected from cancer treatment. It was just actually almost fun. Very little pain, and I felt great because I was getting so many nutrients into my body.
We're not giving cancer an opportunity to detour, but we're surrounding it on all sides, all the ways, the multifaceted ways in which it attacks the body. We're addressing all those simultaneously, so cancer has nowhere to run.
The feeling that you get when you find out that it actually like worked, you know, like my husband and I were like just dumbfounded, you know, then that just gave us more confidence to keep pursuing what we were after.
And once others begin to see that, they say, wait a minute, it wasn't the cancer that killed him, it was the chemotherapy.
What I have found in all of this stuff put together is there's 1,001 ways to kill cancer without going through chemo and without destroying your body. And chemo and radiation are just money makers for the doctors.